Okay, so we are evaluating the definite integral of e to the z plus 1 over e to the z plus z times dz. All right, this might sound a little bit intimidating. It looks a little tricky. Let's go ahead and do a u-sub. Maybe we can do something to simplify this integral, making it a little bit simpler. All right, so let's set u equal to, now if you think about it, what's the derivative of our bottom here, our denominator? Let's go ahead and make that our u. So that way, when we go ahead and take the derivative with respect to z, we should get, remember, the derivative of e to the z with respect to z is just ez, and derivative of z is just going to be 1. This is multiplied by dz. Okay, now we can substitute, right? E to the z plus 1 times dz. That's this guy right here. We can just replace that with du, and we can go ahead and replace our denominator by u. So by doing this, we're changing our bounds when we change to another variable or substitute in another variable. So e to the z plus 1 times dz we set to being du, and then 1 over this, so this is going to be 1 over our u. We're just replacing this denominator with u. All right, so let's go ahead and evaluate this. What's the integral of 1 over u? Our natural log, right? It's going to be our natural log of u to our limits from u equals whatever to u equals whatever. Now you can go ahead and find out what your bounds are by saying when z equals 0 to z equals 1, then you can have your bounds here with some number here. But I'm going to go ahead and back substitute in for our z. So we go ahead and do that. Just replace u with z. Or sorry, u is actually equal to e to the z plus e plus z. So ez, that was ez, right? No, I'm just kidding. I promise I didn't make our variable z for this video. This is actually found in a math book that I'm using, and it's in terms of z. So here we have the natural log of e to the z plus z. And now that we have our variable back into z, we can put our bounds back over here. So from 0 to 1, that's where we are evaluating this. Now, if we go ahead, I'll write our next step down over here. So let's go ahead and do this. So let's evaluate at 1 first. So natural log of e to the 1. So I'm just going to put e to the 1, which is just e, plus 1 minus natural log of e to the 0 plus 0. Okay. Now, if we scroll down here, can we simplify this? Well, what is e to the 0? Well, remember, any number to the power of 0 is 1. So we just have natural log of e, and I need to improve on my handwriting on this software, e to the 1, or e to the 1 power plus 1, plus natural log of, we said this is just going to be natural log of 1. Now, what is natural log of 1? Remember, natural log of 1 is just 0. So we can go ahead and say, cross this out and say this is 0. So our result is going to be natural log, and I'll put parentheses now. So natural log of e plus 1. And this is our solution.